Hey everyone, Adrian Morrison here again, and in this video, I'm going to show you something that's one of my favorite things about Shopify actually, and that is the App Store. All right, so let me just give you a little background on this before we go into the Shopify Dash. Generally, years ago, when me and my brother had an e-commerce store, I'm talking about 10 years ago, the old way, if we wanted to do anything to supercharge our store, collect email addresses or put a timer on our store or customize something, we would have to pay developers to do it in thousands of dollars. And it was very expensive and time consuming, and it was a nightmare. One of the things that drew me to Shopify when I first started was the fact that they had this app store. And it's the idea where you can point, click, and plug in done for you apps that supercharge everything on your store. Some of these apps are free. Some of them different companies develop and they charge $10 a month for. Some of them $20 a month. Really depends on what apps you install. And we're going to give you a great video series on our recommended apps and tell you a little bit about each one. Some of them, we don't own, and some of them we developed ourselves because we saw that it was a place where we could fill in some gaps in the market. So let's jump into Shopify right now. Okay, so here we are in the Shopify store. Now, when you're on the home page of Shopify, if you go to the menu and you click on apps, so it's right here in the left-hand menu, I'm moving my mouse around it, you click on apps, it's going to pull up a list of all the apps that you have on your store. Well, if you're brand new to Shopify, this is what it'll look like right here. It'll look like this. It'll have nothing in there, okay, other than a couple of suggestions. All right, so these are things that are going to happen when you click on it. It's going to recommend other apps to you. Some of them are free, some of them are not. Shopify makes their own apps that you can install. Very cool. What you'll want to do is just go ahead and hit visit the Shopify App Store, and it's going to open up this gateway, and you can get lost in this. It's really fun, actually, whereby they tell you what some of the most popular apps are for product sourcing. We'll actually be talking about T-Launch and Oberlo throughout this training. They have marketing apps that help you with your marketing, sales apps that help increase conversions. They have everything that you could think of. It's unreal. And if you're looking for something specific, all you have to do is come up here and hit search. And it'll like if you're looking for something that can supercharge, let's just say, I don't know, editing orders. So just type in edit orders, hit enter. And it's all of these different apps that could help you further customize editing a customer's order. I don't know. It's all in here. Remember, we will recommend to you ones that we use, and then you'll go and find other things that you like. So let's look at a free one real fast so I could just show you how it works. So we'll be looking at T-Launch here in future modules. So we'll go ahead and install this, or maybe Oberlo. All right. All you do is when you find an app you want, you click it. It's going to bring up what's called an app overview page. All right. So generally there is a video that tells you an explainer video of what this app does. Like this is a company. This is a company that does print on demand. They will drop ship for you custom products, mugs, stickers, phone cases, t-shirts. They give you everything. And look, it is a free app. It is free to use this app. All you have to do is just hit the green button. Boom, it's in your store. So they have images and screenshots of the different products. Like this right here is a drop shipping app for print on demand. This is crazy. I mean, this is amazing that you can plug this into your store and start selling baby onesies and long sleeve t-shirts and mugs and handbags and tumblers. That's the power of the Shopify app community. So if you want to install this app on your store, it's very simple. You hit get. It's going to walk you through installing it on your store. It's going to say, do you want to install T-Launch? I'm going to say absolutely. All right, bada bing, bada boom. It is installing it right now. Bam, here we are. Now, check this out. When I come over here and I click on apps, I'm going to see T-Launch is now installed and connected to my store. So I can click on it, and now I can start using their fulfillment service for drop shipping print on demand products. So I can literally start, and there will be modules on this later, building t-shirts and women's shirts, and I can start building drinkware products and putting my custom logos and sayings and stuff on jewelry, and it's all immediately published to my Shopify store and fulfilled. So that's the power of the App Store. And there's more than fulfillment companies on there. There's apps that increase your conversion rates in the checkout process. There's apps that, they allow you to do special promotions, and basically all the stuff you would generally have to go find a designer or find a developer to create. It's already done for you. And you just come here, find what you want, and you can install it on your store. Some of them, like I said, will be free. Some of them will have a monthly fee attached to them. I will guide you through the right ones, and I will show you the ones that we use on our store. But this is it's such a lifesaver. You can install Google AdWords, email marketing, all of that for free on your store. It is such a beautiful thing. And I'm so excited to be able to show you this. So don't go run in the App Store right now and go install a bunch of junk, okay? Because there's a lot of stuff in here. You're going to need to go down to the section called the Shopify App Arsenal. And I believe that's like section 7. And I'll walk you through all the apps that we recommend, that we use, and then you'll have a really good base setup, okay? So this is amazing. You'll never have to worry about developers ever. Most everything is done for you right here, and it's like one click install, boom, and your Shopify store is supercharged with a new app. All right, so that's it. Hope you enjoyed this, and we'll go into more detail later on in the series. I'll see you on the next video.